A blessed Monday, my people. What go on? What go on, my viewers and subscribers? Now, in the latest news, people, we are heading to St. Catherine, where a businessman and his wife was tied up and robbed over 10 million Jamaican dollar. Ain't no joke thing. The man them drain them bank book in a home invasion in a St. Catherine, my people. The criminal element them out, them not want work. Them expect your man money must be for them own. Jaja, a St. Catherine businessman and his wife endured a terrifying midnight ordeal after gunmen allegedly stormed their home, tied them up and stole 10 million and used the couple's debit card to withdraw a large sum of money. Jesus, peace, my viewers and my subscribers. Jano. Youth them want work nowadays, my people, you know. Youth them want sit down and expect, say, you must mind them. Because just imagine these people, the man them got $10 million, people. $10 million. Oh my gosh. When you in Jamaica, you can't own a business in peace. You can't own a business. That's why I say more time, my people. When you get rich now, they get to take care of yourself. When you get rich uptown, take care of yourself and go somewhere to go live. A serious time I'm going to write about now. The youth, them get tormented. And them want the businessman money. Them don't want to work for them own. Them want to come for your own. And I joke in this for people. We can't live like this in our country. Soon and very soon, a business out here. Nobody now own a business out here. Motor here, Jamaican in Canada, America, England. So, yo, me not come out to come own a business, you know. Me see the reason why, because these are the things I got happen. Man just come in your house because him knows he owner, the man knows he owner a casino or a bar or somewhere. Him just come in your house and juke you and take everything from you. You see me? Now we see if them couple well organized and have them strap on them, all this couldn't go on. You see me? But it's sad if you see what go on in the country. Now we're going to move on to people. We're going to move on where a vendor was shot and killed in St. Catherine, my people. St. Thomas, not St. Catherine. St. Thomas. A vendor was shot and killed in St. Thomas, my people. The St. Thomas police are investigating the fatal shooting of a man on Sunday night. The deceased has been identified as 47-year-old vendor Valmore Anthony Henry, otherwise called Scabo, of Danvers Pen in the parish. Jesus, peace. What did the man them slap a soapy? Don't have all up in the people. Now the man can slap a vendor now in a St. Thomas. What is going on in Jamaica, my people? What go on in Jamaica? Are the same youth, they may grow up with, you know, the same, you and them play a bar together, you know, or no smoke and drink together, you know, the same, they may come take the man 3 points from the people. It's so now weird. That's why my answer tell you, say, yo, if you want to make money, I want to enjoy life, take on yourself. Don't stay around some people when they want to make a life. Take on yourself and go live a different kind of life. Go up in the hills, go far from some people. You see me? Because you have some youth around you. Them energy not right. Them want your 3 pints. Yeah? Them want your money. Them want your car. Them want your house. And if them can't get that, them are going to take your 3 pints. That was the sad reality of Jamaican people. We have some good Jamaican people out there, you know. We have some dirty, bad mind people out there. So, I don't know what I've been doing people, but seem as if something go down, something fishy go down like that, and the man them dash him away. Jaja, my people, John, know it's sad for see what going on in Jamaica right about now. Our youths and youths have them 3 pints like bread and butter. Now we're going to move on, people. We're going to talk about a police who succumbed to his injury after he was involved in a motor car accident months ago, my people. John, a policeman who was injured after crashing his car into a wall along New Road in Clarendon last month has died. District Constable Nathaniel Mackenzie, who was assigned to the Clarendon Police Division, passed away today. The Jamaica Constable Force reported. John Star, my people. Yo. R.I.P. to the constable, you know, people. This is the second policeman to drop out less than a fortnight ago, you know. Yeah, man. Less than a fortnight ago, my people. 2 police officers drop out. The man, them a move too fast on the road, man. Them need to take them time, man. John Star. Take on a time, brother, upon the road, man. I know say yo, you don't want to go upon the ends and you want to go work or somewhere and all kind of things. But more time, yo, it no worth if you speed like an idiot, brother. Because if you never speed, dog, this wouldn't reach your dog. I swear. R.I.P. again to you, your family, your daughter, your sister, your mother, your wife, everybody. You see me, because right now everybody feel this now. Everybody feel like the concept like a poetry in the people. But sadly, he passed away. John, now we are going to go down a sentence people where a decomposed body of a man said to be a missing man who was missing couple weeks ago, my people. John Star, that one hit hard. You see me? That one that terrifying, that one that hurtful people. I swear. When we talk about the news, this couple weeks ago, people, you know, I had hopes that this man would have survived, my people. John Star. See there? The man them find him. I swear, my people. Also, in the latest news yesterday, his family members was rewarding some individual. The family members was rewarding some money to anyone that could lead to information about this missing man. And now we get up this man, my people, we give understand to them, find the G in a state of decomposition. I swear, a body in an advanced state of decomposition was discovered in bushes in the Bamboo community of St. Anne on Monday. The remains are believed to be those of 66-year-old Owen Hamilton, also known as OG, who was reportedly missing 9 days earlier. My people, when you hear that, the G drop out, what could have caused this, my people? I swear, it's sad. It's sad for so I go on in Jamaica, yo. All the youths might drop out one by one. The big man might drop out one by one. Make it even worse to people. They might find them in the bushes. Yeah, man. Man, I dash them and I throw them in the bushes, my viewers and my subscribers. Jamaica gone. No love, no day, I say the people. It's sad, man, my viewers. R.I.P. again to the G. R.I.P. to the G. R.I.P. to the G, my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, man. You see me? Man, them, Jano Star. She don't even know your people. It's rough. It's sickening, yo. If you see what the man do that, or the big man, them. You see me, I say? My people, we can move on. Where the Jamaica Constable Force, you know, put out a statement. 16 murders reported last week as Jamaican homicide toll drops 22%. You see me? And my people, we all know, so when them say this number of viewers, by a couple of days afterwards, we say 3 somebody drop out, you know, or 4, you know. That's all Jamaican things that, you know. The Jamaica recorded 16 murders during the week of the 5th of July to the 11th, as the country downward trend in homicide continue. The previous 2 weeks, the country recorded a single-digit weekly murder. The latest Jamaican Constable Force crime statistics shows that 291 murders were recorded across the island as of July 11th, which is 83 fewer than the comparison period last year. My viewers, I don't want to hear nothing about this for people. This don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. Yeah, man. Crime not go down, my viewers. Crime ain't going down. This what them do, don't make no sense, my people. You see me? Yeah, man. Crime not go nowhere at all, my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah. So them know what go on, but them play a blind game. You see me? Them play a blind game, my people. Let them take me for idiot. I swear. Youths and youths. Nobody dash on the 3 points. Keep on the 3 points now in the pocket. And don't get caught up in a certain situation. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, be smart, be wise. Now we can talk about them 2 man up on the screen right about now, my people. Them 2 man, yeah. Lose them 3 points. Down at Clarendon. The man them dash them in the people and then set the vehicle ablaze. You know, so some serious thing that number of viewers and my subscribers. Jaja, what is going on in Jamaica? Eh? What really go on in Jamaica? To the exact Clarendon. Eh? What really go on? What really do? Hmm? But one could have read this youth. With the backside, the two one could have read this man them sitting on a blaze and deal with some grimy. You see me? I swear to God. Jamaica gone, youths and youths. What wrong with you know? Eh? When just give one the 3 points, like the 3 points of value, nothing at all. You see me? When I give a phone on like say, mean nothing to the youths and youths. No phone involved in the rangs, No phone no. Me see, we are come on social media and I do certain things now. We don't even know what I do. We set up on our own life. So when I put up voice to I go on the body. Youths and youths, wise up, be smart. Don't be the system dragging in crime and violence. You see me? Them two young youths drop out like that. I don't know where them involved in and what them do. But the man them come for them. Ain't no joke thing like that, my people. The man them come for them and dash them way. You see me? Yeah, man, and catch a vehicle a fire. You see me? That is for them 3 points. We can move on. It's serious. Where this female pinion rider, yes, man, lose her 3 points. Me have to tell them about the bike riding people. Me have to tell them the bike riding is safe, Yeah, man, the bike riding is safe, my people. Bike riding is safe, none at all whatsoever. Youths and youths, be careful. Be careful when you up on the bike. Now, this time around, people, is a female. Is a female pinion, get it. You see me? A female identifiers Shamaya Burley has died following a motorcycle crash along Waterworks Main Road in Westmoreland on Sunday, July 5th, 2026. Burnley was the pinion rider on the motorcycle, while a man known only as Valdo died at the scene of the crash. She was admitted to hospital in serious condition and was reportedly in urgent need of blood. Despite effort to save her, Burley succumbed to her injuries earlier today. Her condolence goes out to her family, friends, and loved ones during the difficult times. Jack No Star. Yo, I tell them people, wear helmet. Zimmy, be safe on the road. Somebody drive too fast, brother. Someone ride too fast on the road. I will not they ride to not follow road code. So you know, so anything at all go down wrong, I wouldn't get it. My people, I gone, best of yourself and stay safe on the journey. Do the right thing. I'm out.